Tener sangre azul. Okay. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish expression or an idiom. This is a very funny one, but it is actually used to make fun of people or criticize them. Sometimes this expression is used in a sarcastic way. I say most of the time it is used in this way, in a sarcastic way. The Spanish expression is tener sangre azul. Tener sangre azul. This literally means to have blue blood. What does this mean? Tener sangre azul means to be blue-blooded. It is a person who behaves in a royal way. They often think they deserve the best of the best, and this expression can be used with everyone. So use this phrase with anyone who behaves in a, snobby way. By the way, you need to learn the conjugation of the Spanish verb tener, which means to have. This is an irregular verb. This Spanish expression is similar to the English expression to be born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Pretentious much? Now, let's see a few examples using tener sangre azul. Ella cree que tiene sangre azul. Ella cree que tiene sangre azul. ¿Te gustan las cosas caras? ¿Qué? ¿Tienes sangre azul? ¿Te gustan las cosas caras? ¿Qué? ¿Tienes sangre azul? Miguel actúa como si tuviera sangre azul. Miguel actúa como si tuviera sangre azul. Ugh, Miguel. La familia es muy creída. Parece que tienen sangre azul. La familia es muy creída. Parece que tienen sangre azul. Ugh. Mis amigos a veces piensan que tienen sangre azul. Mis amigos a veces piensan que tienen sangre azul. Okay, that was the expression of the day. I hope you like this video. It's very funny that this expression talks about blue blood. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions about this expression. Also, leave more examples using tener sangre azul. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!